Hello friends, welcome to part 80 of Laravel 12 multi-vendor e-commerce series. So we will continue working on the detail page, and in this part we are going to display similar products. So in this part we are going to fetch products that belong to the same category. If no match found, all also consider the parent category. Exclude the current product from the result. Limit results to 10 similar products. Attach the result to similar products. Okay, so we are going to show these similar products at the product detail page at the bottom. You can see here at the bottom, you may also like section. So these are the similar products. Okay, so we are going to show the similar products of the same category. Like we have this product of the men t-shirts category. Now we are going to check the men t-shirts for the other products, and we are going to check that other products, that one more product is there, and this product we are going to show there as well at the bottom here. You may also like. Okay, so all the similar products we are going to display here. Maybe the user like those similar products. So here also I have mentioned the logic ensures that customers see alternative options within the same category or its parent, which helps improve product discovery and cross selling. Okay, so we are going to fetch first same category products. Okay, if it exists in the same category, then it's fine. Otherwise, if no match found, then we are going to check in the parent category, that if there are some products in the parent category that we are going to display. And if in case there are no products in the parent category as well, then we will not show any products there. But most of the time we able to find that there are products in the same category or the parent category. Okay, so but we are going to exclude the current product. See, this similar product, this product we are not going to show this particular product. Okay, this particular product, this one, this blue t-shirt, we are not going to show here because it's already we are showing here as well. Okay, and we are going to show the 10 similar products here. Okay, like 4 are coming right now. I think we can show 8 as well. Okay, I think it's I'm going to show the 8. Okay, not 10, but I will limit it to 8 products because here we are showing the 4 products at the same time, and 4 more we are going to show. Okay, so let's start working on this one. First of all, we are going to update here the get product detail by URL function. Okay, so this function we are going to update, and that is located in the product service. Okay, so here we will modify the service function so that along with product details also fetches a list of similar products. Okay, so everything we are fetching from there about the product detail page. So here I'm going to open the front product service, and here you can see there is the old function as well. Now we are not required, I don't think we are required, so we can remove that function. And now get category listing data, and I'm going to check that where it is located. I think it is not located here. See, any kind of old functions that we have saved, that we can remove if everything is working fine. Okay, we can also align the code, make sure that you align the code as well. Here is the get product detail by URL function. Okay, I'm going to open this function. Okay, and here I'm going to check that the similar product functionality we have added in this function as well. This is the part that we are going to add to fetch these similar products. Okay, and here I'm going to show you that we are going to fetch the similar products here. First, the status must be 1, and product images relation we are going to add so that we can show the product images in the similar product. And we have also added the subquery, and one more condition is here that id must not equal to this one id. Okay, here the that the products that will come from the similar products, we are not going to show this product. Okay, this blue t-shirt, so we will also check that not equal to this particular product that we have opened. And after that we have added this subquery in which we have fetched the products from the category id, and if there is no product as this, then we are going to fetch from the parent id as well. Okay, so all the products that we will fetch from this query, we will take only 10 products from it, and then we will return to the similar products that that array or object we are going to use for the blade file. Okay, so so like this. We are going to mention fetch similar products. This is the main thing that we are going to do, and I'm going to make it bold as well. Okay, and I will do it like this. See, anytime you can able to get this code by becoming a member. Okay, so here this part I'm going to add this part fetch similar products, but I need to make sure that any other change is not here. Category, that is fine, and attributes, product images, then the group code functionality, that is also working fine. There is nothing to do there as well. And after the group code functionality here ends here, after that we are going to add here the fetch similar products functionality. Okay, and this one we are going to add here like this. Move it like this. Okay, fetch similar products functionality, that will fetch the similar products, and we are going to return that product inside it. Okay, so now we are going to display these similar products in the detail bed file. We are going to replace the div here in the detail bed file. I'm going to check for the similar products. I'm going to search for the similar. I think you may also like section. You may also like. Okay. So this complete section I'm going to replace and will update it with this section in which we have displayed the images, price, like we are doing in the listing page. The same thing we are doing here as well. Okay. So I'm going to replace it like this. Align it, the code. If you think there is some alignment issue, we can align the code as well. And there is one more way to align the code. If anytime you will face any issue in aligning the code, you can open one website, HTML formatter. Okay, you can search for the HTML formatter and open this website and paste your code here. And always 4 spaces is good enough. Okay, and now it will align the code like this. Then we can copy the code and then we can paste the code, so it will be better alignment and it will save your time. Okay, now the code is aligned like this. You can do. Now I'm going to save, and now we are going to check here. Let's see. Yes, the similar product is displayed here. There is one more product, red t-shirt, and that is displayed here. Okay, if I will click on this red t-shirt, then this red t-shirt will open, and the another similar product, that is the blue t-shirt, will be displayed here along with the price as well as the product name. Okay, and here links will also work, like we can open the detail of this similar product. So like this we can able to display these similar products of the same category, and if there are no products in the same category, then we are going to fetch from the parent category. Okay, so you can do this at your end as well, and if you will find any trouble, you can surely contact me. And please join as a member to get the complete source code. Okay, I think we are running at a fast pace. We are now going to do work on the reviews. In the next part, we will start working on the reviews, product reviews here, so that the customer can able to add the reviews for the product. Okay, and those reviews will be added for the approval in the admin panel. The admin is going to approve those reviews, and after the review section, then we are going to add this product to the card. Okay, then we will reach the card page. So all that we are going to do in the next few parts. Okay, so please stay tuned for that, and do join as a member to get the complete source code. Whatever we have done so far, you can open the Stack Developers YouTube channel and you can join as a member to get the complete source code, and you can subscribe for more updates. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.